What's up, kids? Too technical. I'm back again with another video. As you can see here, I've got a case for my Samsung Galaxy Zfold3 from Supcase. This is the Unicorn Beetle Pro. They just came out with this case. This is their heavy duty case for your Zfold3. This is the case that I've been waiting for them to come out with, and I'm glad they finally got it done and sent out to me. So I do want to say thank you, Supcase, for always being willing to send me out your products. They sent me out the black case, so we're gonna crack it right open. Your package, you are greeted with a little pamphlet, which is nice. As you can see, showing you the UB Pro for Samsung Galaxy Zfold3, and on the back here it just shows you how you can, what all comes on the case, what is removable, what isn't removable. It just basically tells you how to install this on your device. So I'm gonna put this over here for now, and this is what you get in the inside. This is what you're greeted with. Get the back, and you get the front. Yes, I will have a link to their website online. I believe this case costs $80, but that's to be expected because this is, you're getting a two-piece case for your Zfold3, and this is for awesome protection. So they do have this in other colors, but for now, this is what you're looking like. Man, this looks good. This looks good. I don't know how well you can see that. This looks good. This looks good. This feels good. And yes, it comes with like a screen protector already installed. And I do have one already on my device. So first I'm going to try to figure out how to peel off the rest of this paper, like so. So this is the front housing, and this is your back housing. Man, so this doubles as, this has a kickstand, and it also has a slot to where your S Pen goes. So this is amazing. If you have a Zfold3, you know this what you need in a case like this. So pretty much you just want to place the front on like so. Yes, I already have a screen protector installed, so I'm gonna leave it on there. I don't know if it will, if I have trouble trying to use the case and the screen protector. Pretty much you just want to make sure everything snaps into snaps on the device like so. So this is what the front housing of it looks like. I don't know how well you can see that, but this is what it looks like. Don't mind that little smudge. That's because I have a screen protector already on my device, and then I have their plastic one on top of that. I have to figure out if I want to leave that on there or take it off. And then the back, you want to, bam, just like that, you are in. So this is what the case looks like on the device. Like I said, this gives your device maximum protection. You do have carbon fiber here. This is grippy and it feels good. You still get a good access to your fingerprint scanner. Volume up and down are nice and clicky. At first I didn't have the case on all the way, but now I do. You get a little bit of lip action, but not much. And no, your device will not lay flat because this is in the back of it for your S Pen. And I'm going to have to remove my other screen protector because I don't like the little glosses showing, as you can see. But you do get access to your kickstand, which is very important when you have a device that folds and unfolds. You want to make sure that you have access to your kickstand, and this is nice and sturdy. You can sit it up in this position also if you would like, if you wanted to, but I'm not going to do that at the moment. But man, Supcase, you did awesome coming out with this case. I didn't think they would ever come out with a case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, but they did. And you also get a slot for that S Pen. It just, let's see here, sits off in the case like so. This is the Fold Edition S Pen. As you can see, it just sits off right in there. So now you have a fully protected case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, and it also has your kickstand, and you have a slot for that S Pen. And if you want to pop it out, you just pop it out like that. Well, not like that, not that it falls on the floor, but it does come out pretty easy. And man, I'm just amazed with how nice this case looks and feels. But overall, Supcase makes nice feeling and looking cases already, so I knew this is what it is. It's not $80, it's $81.95 with this case. So you can get it in red, you can get it in silver, you can get it in green, and you can get it in black. And they sent me over the black, as you can see. But hey, who knows? I might want to go buy all the colors. You just never know. I might want to go buy the red. I might want to go buy the silver. I'm not really a fan of green, but hey, it might look good if you had the green Z Fold 3. But I just wanted to show you the colors that you can get for your Z Fold 3. And I want to say once again, thank you, Supcase, for sending me out your products. And like I said, this is the best case you can buy right now for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.